Hey, what's up, Fabio? Corey here. Bill told me to send out this video for you. Real quick, I'm going to shoot out a couple tips so we can actually apply to your website. This is just going to help you get on that first page so you can actually drag more customers in and help grow your business. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up in front of me, so the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google is very content driven. Everything that you see is content, even these images, this all has content in it as well. You got your HVAC contractor and your name. I'd actually keep your name just up in your logo and be a little bit more specific with those keywords that you actually use. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for. And I like to be right around 2,000 words so that you can actually layer in those keywords as well. Kind of give you an idea about keywords. HVAC Cliffside Park NJ right inside of Google. This is what you're going to see. You got this a little map section here at the top. A bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top right here. Actually, you have this GMB right here, so I'm not even going to go over that, but you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations to get to the very top right there. Underneath this, we have that first page of Google, and I did notice you do have a couple keywords at the very top there, but to get to the very top, you're going to be dealing with all that content, be dealing with those keywords, what people are actually searching for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to yours, just pushing power to it. I actually took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. 59 keywords pushing back about 17 clicks to your website, 16 referring domains pushing back about 97 backlinks there. Historically, you've had about 244, and just increasing those quality backlinks was just going to help you drive more and more traffic. I'm going to go over a couple of these keywords with you. You got your name at the very top there. HVAC contractor NJ, there's 40 clicks a month, 23rd position. To get those higher rankings really comes in by those quality backlinks, and probably do a lot more of them as well. AC Mechanical NJ, another 20 clicks. HVAC Bergen County NJ, there's 70 clicks right there. HVAC Companies NJ, another 40 clicks. General Heating and Cooling NJ, another 30 clicks. NJ HVAC License, let's see here. Air conditioning repair, Hackensack NJ, there's 80 clicks right there. So just really coming in, doing a lot more backlinking and focusing on some of these keywords that you actually want to drive more and more traffic for. It really comes down to that content and backlinks. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.